Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the quants can be created error in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there, and from this main page in the upper right corner, we can get started. First, you want to go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one right here. If you have one, go ahead and log in. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page. From this main page right here in the upper left corner, we can get started with accessing our website editor mode. We have the configuration tab, the site settings, and so on. All of this is going to enable us to manage our website and are going to enable us to follow this thread right here. As you can see on the official Odoo forums, somebody already had a similar problem with this error right here, that quants cannot be created for consumables or services and multiple rows, and you need to resolve other errors first. And here we have an answer by somebody who is familiar with Odoo, a developer. So basically guys, you can see they had this issue for a while trying to bulk import quantities, and basically it actually ended up being two items that caused the issue. They didn't have the track quantity box checked in both of them. So what you want to do is go into the product section and then click on the search bar and make a custom filter, type in track inventory and then select not set. You want to click add, and this is going to enable you to see the two items that you can go ahead and change in the track inventory, and this is going to fix your problem. So all of that is going to be doable from the configuration tab right here, so get started with that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.